Getty. If your Virgin Media prices have gone up, there is a way to reduce your bill opinion every year. It seems things get more expensive, but it's worth remembering that bills can often be reduced by a simple phone call. I was recently checking my direct debits and suddenly noticed my Virgin Media broadband bill had shot up by over £5 per month. My existing deal had come to end and Virgin had placed me back on a standard, and more expensive, tariff. £5 is not a huge amount of money, but, like most people, I'd rather have that cash in my pocket than theirs. So, if this happens to you, how can you get your bill reduced? First of all, do some research on competitors' broadband speeds and pricing in your area. There's plenty of comparison websites out there, or you can just check out each provider manually. Always make sure that the price you see offers what you need. Some lower-cost broadband might bring slower speeds or data caps, which only allow a certain amount of downloads each month. However, companies also offer discounts for new customers, and these can be good bargaining chips to help get your current supplier to lower prices. Next, get on the phone and tell them you are thinking of leaving. Companies, including Virgin Media, spend thousands trying to get new customers, and it's unlikely they'll want to lose you. Once you read through to the retentions department, explain why you are thinking of leaving and ask if there's anything they can do to help make you stay. I followed these steps and managed to get my new bill reduced by a few pounds a month, and Virgin also offered to increase my speeds to sweeten the deal. You will have to sign a new 12-month contract, so always make sure you are happy to stay with the provider and you don't see your circumstances changing anytime soon. Speaking to Express.co.uk, a Virgin Media spokesperson said, "We do everything we can to keep our pricing as competitive as possible and give our customers great value. Although this worked for me with Virgin Media, the same steps should work with most other broadband and phone companies, and here are some top tips for getting those monthly bills reduced." Top tips for reducing your bills: check your contract and always renegotiate when it comes to an end. Do your research on other companies and try to find a similar deal at a lower price. Be nice. When you call your supplier, take a friendly tone, as this is more likely to help you than being aggressive. Be prepared to sign a new contract. Companies want to drop prices without locking into the offer for 12 months. If you do decide to leave your current broadband supplier, make sure you are getting a like-for-like service somewhere else. Lower prices may seem enticing but can often mean slower speeds and capped allowances.